Assalamu alaikum. From Toronto, Canada, I am Mohammed Hook. Today's topic is, what is generative AI and how does it work? In today's world, artificial intelligence has already changed the way we work and learn. Generative AI has taken this change even further. Now, AI not only analyzes information, it can write text, create images, produce videos, and even generate programming code. Just imagine creating your own ChatGPT, AI image generator, or AI assistant. In this video, we will learn what generative AI is, where it is used, and what you can create with it.
What is generative AI?
Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that has the ability to create entirely new content. Unlike traditional AI systems, which mainly focus on analyzing existing data, generative AI can actually produce original outputs. For example, it can generate written text, create images, produce audio such as music or speech, generate videos, and even write computer code. In simple terms, traditional AI helps us understand and analyze data, while generative AI goes a step further by creating something completely new from the patterns it has learned. How does generative AI work? Generative AI is trained on a vast collection of data and learns from it. By analyzing countless texts, images, sounds, and information, it identifies various patterns. Based on this learning, it intelligently predicts what the next word, image, or sound might be and creates new content accordingly. Think of it simply. Just as we learn a language, develop ideas, and gain knowledge by reading thousands of books, generative AI trains itself by learning from millions of data examples. As a result of this learning, it becomes capable of generating new text, images, or ideas. Real-world application of generative AI. In reality, generative AI is being widely used all around us. For example, in business, generative AI is used for AI-powered customer support and automated content writing. In healthcare, generative AI is used for AI-powered medical reports and diagnostic assistance. In creative works, generative AI is widely used in AI image generation and video creation. The contribution of generative AI in software development is immense, especially by making complex programming code generation and debugging much easier. It is helping complete software development projects much faster. Generative AI is also widely used in the education sector, especially in developing AI tutors, and in personalized learning, generative AI is playing a very important role. Popular generative AI models. Today, various powerful models are being used in the development of generative AI. ChatGPT is a powerful generative AI tool that can assist with many different tasks. It can help write texts such as articles, emails, reports, or creative content. It can also generate images based on descriptions provided by the user. In addition, ChatGPT is capable of writing programming code in different languages and helping developers solve coding problems. It can answer questions on a wide range of topics by providing clear explanations and useful information. Furthermore, ChatGPT can support automation by helping streamline tasks, generate ideas, and assist with workflows, making work faster and more efficient. For example, I have written in the prompt box of ChatGPT to generate a small set of codes for a Python program as generate a very small, beginner-friendly Python program that demonstrates AI-style text generation logic in a simple way. The program should ask the user to enter a topic and then generate a short motivational message using predefined sentence patterns. The code must be clean, well-commented, and easy to explain in a video. Avoid complex libraries and keep it under 25 lines. Include sample output. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT generated the required Python code. However, if we had written the code manually, it might have taken hours. Similarly, Claude by Anthropic is widely used for working with large and complex documents. It can help write and analyze documents, generate programming code, answer complex questions, and automate various project tasks. Because of its strong reasoning ability and safety-focused design, Claude is considered a reliable and helpful generative AI tool for many professional and educational applications. Google DeepMind Gemini. Gemini is a powerful generative AI that can make our daily tasks much easier. It can quickly analyze large documents and extract important information. While learning programming or working on projects, Gemini can help write and understand code easily. It works as a fast and intelligent assistant to answer different types of questions. By automating various tasks, it helps save both time and effort. Most importantly, Gemini is a multimodal AI, which plays an effective role in learning, work, research, and productivity.
What is multimodal AI? Multimodal AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can understand and analyze multiple types of information at the same time. In other words, it does not work with just text. It can process and understand different forms of data together, such as text, images, audio, video, sensor data. By combining these different types of inputs, multimodal AI can understand situations more accurately and produce smarter results.
Suppose you have uploaded a picture of a food and ask, "Is the food healthy?" Then the multimodal AI will analyze the uploaded image, try to understand your written query, and it will answer according to your query. In other words, it will be able to analyze the picture and take action according to your written query. One real example. This is a picture of a delicious dish. I uploaded the image into a Gemini prompt and asked the model to identify the food. After analyzing the image, Gemini identified the food as a Southeast Asian dish named Fuska and generated a detailed report describing the dish, its likely ingredients. What is Llama? The full form of Llama is Large Language Model Meta AI. It is an artificial intelligence model developed by Meta Platforms. What can Llama do? This artificial intelligence model is capable of understanding and generating language in a way that is very similar to how humans communicate. It can answer questions, summarize articles or long texts, and even write programming code. In addition, Llama can translate between different languages and create many types of content, including explanations, stories, and informative texts. Because of these abilities, Llama has become a powerful tool that helps people find information, learn new topics, and create content more quickly and efficiently. Why is Llama important? The importance of Llama comes from several key features. First, the model is known for its efficiency, meaning it can perform many tasks quickly and effectively. It is also recognized for its accessibility, allowing more researchers, developers, and users to explore and use this technology. Another major advantage is that it requires fewer computing resources compared to some other artificial intelligence models while still delivering strong performance. Because of these strengths, Llama has become an important tool in advancing innovation and development in the field of artificial intelligence. Generative AI is not just a technology trend. It is a powerful tool that is changing the future of work, creativity, and innovation. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to learn more about AI and emerging technologies.